A lone interstellar traveler follows faint crackles emanating from the Milky Way halo, where mysterious radio bursts defy easy explanation. They uncover pulsars, drums that whisper about neutron stars and space-time itself. In a distant nebula, a soft hum suggests plasma turbulence, though some theories invoke dark matter interactions shaping these tones. A rogue planet crossing interstellar space reveals a choir of magnetospheric whines, hinting at unseen magnetic storms. Returning to the present, the traveler invites viewers to test data against imagination and listen for music hiding in silence.